Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Xflaze.com. But before we get into that, a lot of you guys have been asking me and been messaging me to review a product. And since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for you guys to check it out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here on open up their website. So one thing to do, take note that there is another website that's like this. I forgot the name. However, they do have the exact same layout. As you can see, the only difference is the name. However, they do have the exact same layout as this, with the phone and the Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything is exactly the same. So that is a major red flag, since this website is a scam. So as you can see, it is also right here on Trustpilot, and see that they're rated 2.8 out of 5 stars. And as you can see, the reviews are scam, it's a scam, looks like a scam, and a lot more. So please guys, do not enter in any crypto or information on this website, since it is very much a scam. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.